Learn with Zara, an educational channel. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I prepare breakfast with my family. I prepare breakfast with my family. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I leave for school. I leave for school. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. I greet my teacher. I greet my teacher. I sit in the classroom. I sit in the classroom. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I read a book. I read a book. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I eat my lunch at school. I eat my lunch at school. I finish my homework. I finish my homework. I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends. I return home. I return home. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I drink some juice. I drink some juice. I watch TV. I watch TV. I help my mom in the kitchen. I help my mom in the kitchen. I clean my room. I clean my room. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I water the plants. I water the plants. I play games on my tablet. I play games on my tablet. I read a story book. I read a story book. I take a walk in the park. I take a walk in the park. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I put my books in the bag. I put my books in the bag. I prepare my uniform for school. I prepare my uniform for school. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. Then I fall asleep. Then I fall asleep. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!